All right, Sasha Squared. Hey, other Sasha. My name's Brandon. I'm a good buddy of Sasha's, and he asked me to go ahead and send this over to you, so that I could kind of show you what it is that we're doing and how we can help you. So I'll just get into it. I don't want this to take much time, maybe 5 or 6 minutes, but basically what I'm going to show you is how your top competitor is ranking ahead of you online and what they're doing to allow for that to happen. And I'm going to show you how we can basically copy what they're doing and just do it better so that you can get up to the front page of Google. So here's your website. Obviously, it's a good looking website. Whoever made it for you, or if you made it yourself, did a good job with the design. It's really easy to scroll through, and it's pretty easy to make your way through this. But the question is this website actually bringing traffic to you, or is it just serving as like a digital business card? So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is content. So I'm going to talk to you about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google mostly cares about when ranking for a website is content. So what we say is content is king in this industry. So the average website homepage on Google has 1,500 words on it. So this would be a good starting point for you, is to just get yourself to at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 words on this homepage. So I copied and pasted all of your content on your homepage, and it looks like you guys have about 248 words. So this is a really good starting point for you. But, obviously what's in the content matters even more than the number of words on it. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website. So these are words that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for a product or service that you can offer. So, for example, I just took window replacement Denver and I threw it in Google, and here's what shows up. So you've got your Google ads on top, which we can talk about at a later time. And then we've got your Google, your map pack right here, which we'll talk about here in a second. And then we've got your number one organic search right here. So I'm going to compare your website and your analytics to Champion Windows and show them kind of show you why they're ahead of you in this Denver market, at least. So I know they're a national company, but we can still beat them out in the Denver area. So let's get into it real quick. So here is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but you can go online and find free tools for this. But this is showing that you guys have 5 keywords on your website, and it's driving in almost no traffic. Oftentimes this is underreported. So you could be getting a little bit of traffic here, but as you can see, it's not much. And then let's go over to Champion. Here's their website, and they've got 160 keywords, and it's allowing them or helping them get quite a bit of traffic to their particular Denver page. Okay, so we're going to talk about the keywords here. So all you need to do is beat out the number of keywords that they have on their website and choose the ones that have buyer intent behind them. So if we look here, here's the volume of searches per month, and this is where they're currently ranking in position on Google. So that makes sense because their company's name is Champion, so they're number one there. But we need to choose words that have a lot of buyer intent. So window installation Denver, replacement windows Denver, window replacement Denver, window company Denver, etc. So all of these they're ranking really highly for. So these are examples of keywords that you want to place in your website so that you can, beat out what these guys are doing. And we can talk about how you specifically do that. But so if we look at your keywords, right, you guys, people see Gravina siding and windows. That's your company name, but you're ranked really highly. So even if somebody types that in, they may or may not find you for windows. So as you can see, you don't have any buyer intent keywords. So there's a lot of room for improvement there. So that's the first thing I wanted to kind of show you guys is all of these keywords that have buyer intent that they're ranking for is allowing them to show up on Google when people type that in. And we could do that for windows, for doors, for siding, and for roofing. We could get all of the best buyer intent keywords, put them throughout your entire website, and just get you a lot more content. And that will seriously do wonders for you. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that another website links back to yours and drives traffic to you. So Google's like a giant popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to yours. So as you can see, you guys don't have any backlinks coming from any different, any domains, any other websites. So if we look at your top competitor, they've got 565 backlinks and they're coming from 40 different website domains. So with their keywords and their backlinks, it's allowing them to get this much traffic or more. Like I said, that's underreported per month. So, there's a lot of business to be made from people finding you on Google, obviously, as you know. So again, they've done a lot of the hard work for you. You need to go into their backlinks and we need to figure out which ones are relevant and trustworthy. So, not all backlinks are created equal. If you have very high quality backlinks, that will give you a lot more power than if you have, a ton of backlinks that don't really help you. So relevant and trustworthy backlinks, what that means is you want these website domains linking to you from other businesses that are within your industry. So other roofing, HVAC, plumbing companies, siding companies, insurance companies, maybe restoration companies. These are all, Google knows that you're in that industry. So if you would link yourself to like a Pizza Hut, for example, that is not going to help you at all because Google knows you're not in the food industry. Okay, so all you need to do is go through here. 3 best window companies. So that would be a good one. This one, probably not. 105 best ways to deal with difficult customers. Local window suppliers, that would be a good one. So you can go in here and you can list yourself in here and link your website. And that's what's called a backlink. Okay, so we have ways of getting you guys a ton of backlinks and what we call link juice that just skyrockets the quality of these backlinks on your site. Okay, so that's the next thing without getting too technical on it. We just need to get you more content, more keywords, and more backlinks. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is how to get into this Google Map Pack. So this comes down to, most importantly, what we call a citation. So a citation is anywhere you can put your business name, address, and phone number into a directory, pretty much. So you need to figure out how many directories this company is in, this #1 company here in this map pack. Add yourself to all the same directories, and then we can add even more. So if they're in 200, we should probably be in at least 300 so that you can dominate them in this space too. Okay, so as a quick recap, more content, at least 1,500 keywords on your homepage, and then filling in keywords, buyer intent keywords on your homepage and in every other page that you have. And then we need to get you more citations than this top company, and then we need to get you better backlinks that are high quality and beat out the number of backlinks that these guys have. Okay, so with those 3 things, you will get to the front page of Google, and we can rank you for every service that you offer in every city that you want to do business in. And we can get you guys a lot more traffic to your website just from people typing in what they need on Google. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. I would love to hear it. And I appreciate you taking the time to give this a watch. Thanks so much, Sashas.